Top 5 budgeting mistakes that are costing you thousands. Budgeting is one of the most powerful tools for building financial security, yet many people approach it the wrong way, if at all. While some think budgeting is restrictive, the truth is, it offers freedom. The freedom to spend intentionally, save confidently, and invest wisely. But here's the catch. Most people make key budgeting mistakes that silently drain their bank accounts over time. Whether you're struggling to save, living paycheck to paycheck, or just wondering where your money disappears each month, the problem might not be your income. It could be your budgeting habits. Let's walk through the top 5 budgeting mistakes that could be costing you thousands, starting with the most common and building up to the most damaging one. 5. Not tracking where your money actually goes. Let's start with one of the most basic yet widespread mistakes: not tracking your expenses. It's easy to assume we know where our money goes: rent, bills, groceries. But the reality is often far more surprising. That $5 coffee, $9 subscription, or $20 food delivery may seem harmless alone, but when added up over 30 days, you're looking at hundreds or even thousands of dollars slipping away silently. When you don't track your spending, you operate on guesswork. That makes it nearly impossible to create an effective budget. The solution? Start logging every dollar. Use budgeting apps like YAB, Mint, or EveryDollar, or go old school with a spreadsheet or notebook. Awareness is the first step to financial control. Once you know where your money goes, you can decide where it should go. 4. Relying on memory instead of a written budget. A huge mistake many people make is budgeting in their heads. They mentally allocate money to rent, bills, or groceries, but never write anything down. This approach is like trying to drive cross-country with no map. You're bound to get lost. Without a written or digital budget, it's easy to forget expenses, overspend, or double-count money you don't actually have. A good budget is a living, breathing plan that's written, reviewed, and adjusted often. It accounts for both fixed costs and flexible spending, along with irregular expenses like annual car registrations or holiday gifts. Millionaires and financially savvy people don't wing it. They map out their money, measure it, and give every dollar a purpose. If you're serious about stopping wasteful spending, start by putting your budget in writing. 3. Underestimating irregular and unexpected expenses. Life is unpredictable, but your budget should be built for surprises. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not planning for irregular or unexpected expenses, and these are the ones that hurt the most. Think car repairs, home maintenance, vet bills, or unexpected medical costs. Then there are regular irregulars like holiday shopping, back-to-school expenses, or annual memberships. When these aren't budgeted for, they turn into credit card debt or emergency fund killers. The fix? Create sinking funds, small monthly contributions toward big, irregular expenses. For example, setting aside $50 a month for car maintenance might save you from scrambling when a $600 repair hits. Budgeting isn't about being perfect, it's about being prepared. Avoiding this mistake alone could save you thousands each year. 2. Forgetting to budget for fun, and then overspending on it. This one might sound ironic, but it's crucial. Not budgeting for fun can lead to overspending on fun. Many people approach budgeting as a punishment or a restrictive rulebook. They create bare-bones plans that leave no room for enjoyment. No dinners out, no movies, no weekends away. But this kind of austerity budgeting is destined to fail. Here's why. If your budget feels like a prison, you'll rebel. Eventually, you'll break down and overspend, turning a $20 night out into a $200 splurge weekend that sets your budget back for weeks. A smarter approach: build fun into your budget intentionally. Set aside a realistic amount each month for entertainment, dining out, or hobbies. That way, you enjoy guilt-free spending within limits and stay on track overall. Budgeting isn't about saying no to fun. It's about saying yes strategically. 1. Treating budgeting like a one-time task instead of a habit. The number one budgeting mistake, and the most expensive one, is treating your budget like a one-time event rather than an ongoing habit. Many people create a budget once maybe at the start of the year or when they're feeling motivated, but never revisit it. Then they wonder why it didn't work. A budget isn't a document, it's a process. Your income, expenses, goals, and priorities change. So should your budget? Failing to update your budget monthly or even weekly means you're always flying blind. Small changes in utility bills, gas prices, subscriptions, or income can throw your entire plan off course if not adjusted for. Millionaires review their budgets often. They know every dollar is a tool. By checking in weekly or monthly, they make better decisions, course correct early, and spot opportunities to save or invest more. This continuous habit is what separates financially successful people from those who always feel behind. Budget smarter, live better. Budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about direction. The mistakes outlined above aren't just small missteps. Over time, they can quietly drain thousands of dollars from your wealth. Whether it's not tracking your spending, failing to plan for surprises, or thinking budgeting is a one-and-done chore, these habits can slowly sabotage your financial health. But here's the good news. You can fix them. And the moment you do, everything changes. You gain clarity. You stop money leaks. You start making progress, not just surviving the month, but building a future. Start by tracking where your money goes, writing down your actual budget, preparing for irregular expenses, giving yourself room to enjoy life, and treating budgeting like the ongoing journey it is. Master these, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your finances turn around. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.